am a king and she wasn't even my queen at all. She made me sit back and rethink all of the things I thought.
Hey you guys, I am back and I am freezing cold, but I'd rather be hot than cold, so just popped on a jacket. Popped on Bay's jacket, boy. Like this video if you also steal your boyfriend's clothes. Today's video is going to be a good one because we are reviewing the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. I did get sent this. This is not sponsored and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I've only watched one review and there's no way that I can make an opinion off the one review that I watched. So I really don't know what I'm going to be getting myself into. But just an overview of this product. I will give you a close-up while talking about it. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Contour Pro 4-in-1 Defining and Highlighting Brow Pencil. You have a lighter shade, a darker brow shade, a definer shade, and a highlight shade. My shade is the shade Brown Black and Light. This is available in 5 shades. It is $34 and it was available online 8/7, which was a while ago, and in store 8/24, which was yesterday. I'm just interested to do this and I'm interested just to get some brows on my face. I might turn down the exposure some because this is kind of bright. Okay, so basically I'm just going to do my brows with this and you guys are going to watch me do my brows and get my reaction and all this good other stuff. So let's just get into the video. Okay, so we're really close. I'm going to use this. I'm very excited but very nervous. So let's start with the lighter shade. And I watched a video because I was like, let me see if it like twists, but twist back up. It don't twist back up. So don't put out too much at one time. I want my brows to look like this. So definitely we're going for this. So we're gonna start with the lighter shade so I can stop procrastinating. We're gonna twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Come on, push it up. Push the product up. There it goes. So it does take a little bit to get up a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna put, like, you see, I don't know if you can see that, but this is like a little bit at the tip, and this is the lighter shade. So this looks about like shade 4. So that's what we're gonna just assume that's about. The only thing about this, you see how it just was like that, it don't got a spoolie on it. So we're just gonna use these Benefit tweezers to just use to do my brows and brush my brows up like I normally do. And I'm so nervous, like I'm so procrastinating. Okay, we're gonna put this out just a little bit more. Okay. Oh, that's really pigmented, you guys. You see that? And I'm barely pressing on my eyebrow. I do wish this came to more of a point because I feel like the roundness of this is getting in the way of me doing my eyebrow a little bit. It's not that big of a deal. Just gonna do some hair strokes at the front. So that is the bottom. That's the bottom of my brow done. And then we're gonna do the top. I always get so nervous when it comes to the top of my brow. I really like the noise when it clicks. I'm such a kid. Okie dokie. So I did mess up a little bit. That's okay. That's why I do my eyebrows first. So this is my brow so far. It's very, very pigmented and I wish it wasn't so creamy. So now we're gonna go in with a darker shade, which looks about like a shade 5 in this color. And we're just gonna do the tail of my brow. Just gonna do some hair strokes. I'm gonna do some hair strokes with this in the darker area, the sparse areas too. I'm not used to my eyebrows this dark anymore. I've been like doing them like a little bit lighter because my hair is so light. But now we're gonna go in back with the lighter shade. And we are going to fill in a little bit more of the front of the brow. So this is the difference in my brows after just filling them in with the colored shades. Not too bad. So we're just gonna, like, you know, use the highlight and definer shade or whatever it's called. It's called the highlighter and the highlight and definer shade. So let's go into the definer shade. Sorry I'm not talking to you guys, I'm really trying to concentrate. I'm taking like this little Morphe M170-4 brush and just blend that color out. And it's blending pretty well. It really is blending pretty well. Okay. It's very creamy. It has a nice pigment, but not like, you know, too much, because, you know, it's gonna blend into my foundation. This is really, oh, I like this. I like this cleanup part. Okay. So this is the difference after I clean up my brow. And honestly, I don't really need to clean up this brow that much because it really was easy to get a defined brow for me. But if you're a beginner, this really would really help. And I honestly do like that I don't have to keep switching from concealer to brow product, from concealer to a brow product. So that comes in handy. I'm just gonna, like I did before, I'm gonna feather it out so I can blend it out better. This product is not as creamy as the brow pigment, and I kind of like that, but it does have a lot of coverage to it, like opacity. Alright, so we're going to blend it out with that same brush. Just going to take it and blend it out. And you can, it seems to dry like a faster amount of time, but it is very, very like movable still. It doesn't dry completely down. Kind of liking that because I feel like I have a lot more playtime with it. So this is, I like this. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I thought it was gonna be like gimmicky, you know. But look at the before and the after benefit. What did you do? You just changed the game. I recommend this. I know it's $34, but think about it. You're getting 2 eyebrow shades and 2 defining like highlighter shades for 34 bucks. Each little pencil has 0.003 ounces in it. In a Precisely My Brow pencil, you have 0.002 ounces. So you're getting more product in each little thing than you are in a Precisely My Brow pencil. And this is $24, this is $34. So $10 more. I think that's a really good deal. I really like it. I'm gonna zoom you guys out, because I'm going to leave my brows like this, and I'm going to do the other brow off camera whenever I start to do my makeup, because I am doing a review on this foundation. Stay tuned for that, because that will be up next. And yeah, let me just zoom you out, because I know you guys are like tired of seeing my face this close. Okay, so now you can really see the difference because I'm zoomed out. This pencil is fire. I like this. Like, I'm going to... Whenever I have time, like, to do my makeup and, like, you know, I have somewhere to go, like, and I want, like, a fierce brow, this is going to be my go-to pencil. Like, I love the Precisely My Brow, but I love that I have the highlight and the finer shades and, like, the 2 different brow colors instead of having to switch back and forth all the time. Fire. Period. Benefit you did that. Let's just say out of 5 stars, I'd give this product a 4.5, only because it does not have a spoolie. But yeah, I really do recommend that you at least try it out. Go swatch it in like Sephora or something, wherever you can get benefit from. And yeah, leave any questions down below you do have that I haven't covered, and we'll see you in my next video.
I thought it was where you were mine. I'm rolling just to get high. Just to get you off my mind. I'm a king, I found out she wasn't a queen at all.